guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you are liking our video. Please send your feedback in our comment section below and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button. Now, let's get started. In our last video, we have seen how blood helps us in transporting useful materials throughout the body. But have you ever wondered what happens to the waste product? Most importantly, what are the waste products? Like us animals, plants do excrete, but how and what are their excretory products? In today's video, we are going to discuss all about them. At first, let us move towards the excretory system of plants. Like I said, plants do excrete. They produce a number of waste products during their life process. The main waste products produced by the plants are carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are produced during their respiration by the plants, whereas the oxygen is produced as a waste product during photosynthesis. The gaseous waste of respiration and photosynthesis in plants are removed through the stomata in the leaves and lenticels in the stem and are released to the air. The plants also store some of the waste products in their body parts. For example, some waste products gets collected into the leaves, bark and fruits of the plant. Plants get rid of these waste products by shedding of the leaves, peeling of the bark and falling of the fruits. So, when you see dead leaves, barks and ripened fruits fall from the tree, this means the waste products contained in them are get rid of. The plants also secretes the waste products in the form of gum and resins from their stem and branches. As we have discussed about the excretion process in plants, let's move on to the excretory process in animals. More precisely, the excretory process of human being. The major waste produced by the human being are carbon dioxide and urea. Carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product by oxidation of food during the process of respiration, and urea is produced as a waste product by the decomposition of unused proteins in the liver. The excretory system of human being consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, bladder and urethra. The kidneys are located towards the back of our body, just above the waist. The blood in our body is constantly passing through the kidney. The renal artery brings in the blood filled with impurities into the kidney. The main function of kidney is to remove the poisonous impurities like urea and uric acid with some other salts and excess water from the blood and excrete them in the form of yellowish color fluid called urine. Therefore, kidney helps in cleaning of our blood by filtering it by removing the unwanted substances present in it. The clean blood is then carried away from the kidney by renal veins. Now, there are ureters arises from each kidney opens into the urinary bladder. There are the tubes that carry urine from kidney to the bladder. This is the place where urine is stored. Excretory system also has urethra that plays an important role in the system. Urethra is a tube-like structure that helps in the passing out of urine from the body. Now, let us study about the detailed structure of kidney. When we dissect the kidney transversely, we can see that each kidney is made up of large number of excretory units called nephron. Nephron has a cup-shaped bag at its upper end known as Bowman's capsule. The lower end of the Bowman's capsule is a tube-shaped and is known as tubules. So it is clear that the Bowman capsule and the tubule together forms the nephron. The Bowman's capsule contains a bundle of blood capillaries known as glomerulus. The function of glomerulus is to filter the blood that is passing through it. Glomerulus filter only the smaller molecules like glucose, amino acids, salts, urea, water, etc. These are later get collected into the Bowman's capsule. The large molecules like proteins and blood cells since cannot pass through the glomerulus and hence they stay in the blood. Now, what is the function of the tubules? The tubules of the nephron allow the selective reabsorption of the useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salts, water into the blood capillaries. Now, what happens to the waste materials? Let us see that. The waste materials like urea remains behind in the tubules and does not get reabsorbed into the blood capillaries. Okay, so now let us know more about the working mechanism of the human excretory system. The impure blood containing waste like urea enters the glomerulus. The glomerulus filters this blood. During filtration, the substance like glucose, amino acids, salts, etc. present in the blood pass into the Bowman's capsule and then enters the tubules of the nephron. When the filtrate pass through the tubules, during this time, the useful substances get reabsorbed into the blood through blood capillaries. The liquid with urea and some unwanted salts that remains in the tubules of the nephron is known as urine. The urine is then carried into the collecting duct of the kidney from where it is carried to the ureter. From ureter, the urine is passed into the urinary bladder. Urine is stored in the bladder for some time and is ultimately passed out of the body through urethra. Human urine is composed of water, some salts and nitrogenous substances, most of which is urea and some uric acid. I hope you all liked our video. Please keep supporting us by subscribing to our channel, like our video and send your feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.